Renewed UN economic sanctions on Iran's banking, arms, and oil sectors are intensifying economic strain. Satellite imagery indicates heightened activity at Iran's Zagros Mountain nuclear site, potentially linked to uranium enrichment. The U.S. has begun deporting Iranian nationals detained for illegal entry, signaling a possible point of coordination amid tensions. The Middle East is characterized by proxy wars and strategic alliances. The Houthi movement in Yemen, aligned with Iran, threatens U.S. oil firms and shipping. Iran and Russia have agreed to build 4 new nuclear power plants in Iran. The Strait of Hormuz is a key strategic point due to its high volume of oil and gas shipments. Iran's threats to disrupt traffic through the Strait of Hormuz could trigger conflict. Advancements in Iran's uranium enrichment levels, nearing weapons grade, also present a significant escalation risk. The Iran-US conflict originated with the 1979 Iranian Revolution. The revolution ousted the U.S., backed Shah, and established the Islamic Republic. The United States has since used sanctions and military actions to limit Iran's power. The U.S. military has advanced technology, including fighter jets and missile defense systems. The U.S. also has a larger military budget and a global network of bases. Iran uses asymmetric strategies like missiles and cyber warfare to exploit U.S. vulnerabilities. The Iran-U.S. rivalry manifests in proxy conflicts across Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, and Yemen. Iranian-backed groups clash with U.S. aligned forces, fostering instability and escalation risks. International bodies urge de-escalation and diplomatic resolutions, focusing on Iran's nuclear program and regional stability.